Hey everybody, we made it to Friday. Thank you, Father. So, guys, today's message is just really simple. What are you willing to sacrifice or give up to make this world a better place? I always say, love yourself so that you'll love others, so this world will be a much better place. But there's going to be some sacrifices, some things you have to do on your end to make this world a better place. So I would like to know in this video today, or this vlog today, or whatever you want to call it, in the comments, I would like to know, what are you willing to sacrifice or give up for this world to be a much better place? I know, some people be like, oh, it's hard to do this. No, think about it. If you really give up some things and sacrifice some things, it's going to make your life better. It's going to make your dwelling better. It's going to make your family better. And at the end, if everybody tapped into this, it'll make the world better. It'll make the world a better place. So, what are you willing to sacrifice or give up to make this world a better place? Guys, I would love to hear what you have to say. I'll see you in the next part of the video. Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning. So, y'all know what's interesting? Now, Mark went to go get the, what do you call it? Hold on, y'all. You know what I'm talking about. He went to go get this thing here, the battery. So we got the battery. But guess what? All of a sudden, we don't hear no more noise, no more chirping. It's back here. So it's in the bedroom, hallway, or family room. So we don't hear no more chirping. So I don't know what to do now. It's like, what do you do? I mean, we're going to keep the battery, but maybe just replace maybe replace both of them because we only got one. He said something about putting it on your, y'all let me know, because I'm like, no, you're not doing that because we need you here. But he was saying you can put it on your mouth or something. You can taste it, put it on your tongue or something, and find out which battery is dead. And I'm just like, I don't think that's a good idea. I don't think you should do that. But enough of that. But anyway, so I was letting y'all know the battery is here, and just out of nowhere, we listening about the thing, we don't hear nothing. And all night there was no chirping, no nothing. So I'm like, okay, well, I'm not gonna worry about it. But anyway, hope you guys are having a beautiful day. Don't let nothing come between you and your beautiful day. Guys, I got money. So he left me this money. I'm gonna take this money, and y'all know where I'm headed. For the simple fact, I'm gonna go there because to the Benz, that's not too far from here. I need to go there because I still need to see if they have the thing for the y'all know what I'm talking about, for the thing here. So I need that. But in the meantime, I'm gonna make it my business. I have only one client today. I'm gonna make it my business because I wrote down the phone number. I'm gonna call these people today and see, because they close at 4:30. So I'm gonna just see if they can mail me out one, or how much would they charge me to mail me out one. I kept all the papers, the stickers and everything. Y'all, I don't be playing about stuff like that. But got the number I'm gonna call. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go, that's one reason why I'm going to the Benz. Check for that to see if I can find it. And if I can bring you guys along, I will. Right now I'm just currently, I made grits this morning, y'all. I made my own grits. And here they go here. I'm waiting for them to, he had already got some of his before for work, but to me, he said they were perfect, but to me, that's too runny for me. So I'm just basically just like letting them cook a little bit more, because these are not the, I think I showed y'all yesterday. These are not the quick ones. I don't like the quicks. I don't like nothing quick, really. I don't like nothing quick, but I'm letting them cook for a little bit longer, and we'll see how they are. But I think that he said they were fine, so yeah. And I got more nuts. Got more nuts to fill up the jar here. So not finished with these yet, but we'll be. I'm gonna mix. I think I'm gonna mix these with the chocolate in here. But these are the nuts, guys. These are the old-fashioned That's what that is. These are the old-fashioned grits. So it takes time to cook those. Anything quick ain't good. Y'all, too many nuts up in this house, right? Do y'all get it? Get your mind together. I mean, get your mind. Yeah, get your mind together and get your mind out the gutter. I said there's too many nuts in here. It's either two things y'all thinking that I'm talking about, but I'm only talking about one. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna get on out of here and get ready for my day. Go to work. No, go to the bins first. Go to work. Return home. I think that's it. And if I can bring y'all along, I told y'all I'll show y'all. Y'all look, I got on my earrings today. Remember these from the bins? Look, can y'all see? I think, you know what? I can't even get this off. So I'm kind of thinking maybe I should just keep them. Keep it like that. What do y'all think? Y'all like it? With just one hanging? I feel like a little girl, a little kid. And then I went on and changed out my necklace for that. So to go with the gold. Ooh, yeah, I haven't had gold hoops in so long. It's been my teenage, I'm still young, but I'm just saying my teenage years, I used to love, I have silver, I have sterling silver hoops, those big ones, if you ever seen me wear them. Not the smaller ones that I wear regular, but the other ones. And it's just been a long time, and I really like these. They're very lightweight, and they're very sleek. See? Very, very sleek. And I like the fact that it has the cap on it, and then it has the rubber cap behind it. So guys, that's enough saying right now. I will see you guys later. I will check you out, guys, in a little while, okay? Now, I had to come back and show y'all about my grits. Hold on. They look so much better letting them cook a little longer. I think I should have just waited, or he could have had more patience to wait. But to me, that just looks better to me. See? So I'm gonna add me some. I'm gonna add some cheese to mine. And then maybe later on, if I get hungry, I'll have some more. Okay, wait a minute. Let's try the cheese in later. I'll put some of this vegan cheese in here and see how that that looks good, y'all. Look at that. Look at this. Tell me that ain't pretty. Let me bring it down some. Y'all, look at that. I know you want some. All right, guys, I'll let you guys go. I'll see you guys a little later. I think I'm gonna stop by the car wash too, if I have time. I'll see you guys. All right, y'all. All these bumps in the road just made me spill my tea on the seat. Oh my gosh. But I'm on my way to get my truck washed, and then y'all hold on. Sorry about that. Then I will go to the bins. But guys, those grits are everything. Oh my gosh, they are so stinking good. All right, guys, first mission, go get this truck wash. It's super dirty, and then I'll go to the bins. But guys, those grits are so good. So just wanted to let you guys know that. But I'll take you in for the truck wash in a moment. This one. I might get it, but it don't have the insert. It don't have the insert here. But I got some stuff in here. Got some 100% cotton, I think. Flip-flops, toothpaste, and I got a light fixture in here, but I'll show y'all. But I'm deciding on, should I buy this? And they got music playing, so I can't really like be on my phone too long. But yeah. Hey guys, I'm back. So I couldn't really like vlog like I wanted to in there because it was so many people, and people's hands, they were just everywhere, and I'm just like, no, I'm just gonna wait. So, and then they were playing music, so I just said I'll just wait till I get home later on this evening to show you all the goodies that I got for like $6 and some change. Okay, all right, I'll talk to you guys later. All right, y'all, we're gonna get into, did I turn this on? Okay, I'm about to say it didn't seem like it was rolling. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and just get into this haul really quick. We're gonna make it quick. So y'all, I made $6 stretch, okay? I'm gonna show you how. Some days it all depends on who's there. We get really good. They just throw stuff, they give you stuff. So let's just make this part of the video is gonna be quick, okay? Because I'm gonna get on to my day. So anyway, guys, I did end up finding one of them. I kept on looking, just looking around, period. But I ended up finding one that did have the insert. So this is what I meant by this insert here. So I got this. I'm gonna put my mom's picture in here and put it in the back room. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with the gray one. I'll probably give it away or something, but I got this. I also picked up these white cotton house shoes, still in the plastic, brand new. Y'all know everything there is brand new anyway, right? But these are terry cloth, so y'all know that, that's cotton. But look at that. For when I get out the tub and stuff, I can keep my little spa sandals in the bathroom. So I got these. So everything was $1 except, today was dollar day, but everything was $1 except for like other little, maybe like little trinkets or whatever. I got all of this, which is a blessing, because the last time you remember when I bought anything like bath or essential for your body from there, I still have mine and my daughter has hers, but they are falling apart. So I found this thing here, has 3 pieces, it's all bamboo. You have the loafer thing like that. You have this, and I'm trying to see who it's by. This is by My Eco Brush. If y'all can see that, My Eco Brush, and it has this piece to go to it, and you just insert this inside the little space right here, like that. See? So I got that. And I needed one for the bathroom. We don't have one. And you can also take this off and use it as a hand. That's why I have this little band here. And you can use it to scrub your face, your body, whatever. So I got this. I also got a necklace, guys. This is so nice to me. It was in this bag. I picked up this gold necklace, okay? Look at that. This is the aluminum, okay, it is aluminum free. And this is by A New Day. It doesn't have the price, but y'all know this stuff is be like $25 or something. The only thing is like right here, if you can see, like right here is missing a little piece, but the little piece is inside the bag right here. So I just need to super glue it right there, the little piece right there. And then on the opposite side, it's just plain. So it's real simple and it's real dainty. Oh y'all, this was originally $15. See, 15, and I got it for $1. And I'm gonna call my daughter, because I think she's supposed to be coming over later, and I'm gonna have her bring me some super glue, and I can super glue it on there. I got Mark some charcoal activated cis is natural with fluoride, cis free activated charcoal toothpaste, peppermint, and brand new in the box. Y'all know this is like almost $4 or $5. Got it for $1. Some of the little things, because this is $4 right here. The little things she just threw in my bag, okay? I got an air wick, and this one is Summer Delights. Just one in the bag. She just threw it in my bag. She told me no charge. She just threw it in my bag like that. I also got, y'all already know, this is Burt's Bees. I absolutely love this color. So, yeah. It's never been used. It just looked like that because I took off the, because it's a fuchsia. I love red and fuchsias, but I can clean that off later. But yeah, nobody's used it. It's all there. So this was $0.25. She gave me the Burt's Bees lipstick. Quarter. Y'all, last but not least, oh my gosh, y'all, I love this. I'm gonna show y'all. This is what I found for $1. Do y'all see that light fixture? So I'm either thinking we can put it in here and get rid of this up here. I'll show you guys in a minute. Or put it in the bedroom. So here is the globe. to it. That's the glow to it. Ain't that pretty, y'all? Look at that gold. Oh my gosh. That, it has all the pieces. Here's the plate that goes up in the ceiling, like so. And here are the pieces, the hooks and everything right here. Guys, this is so pretty. So this is everything that I picked up from the bins today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And guys, go check out the other channel, Simply Black Vegan, guys. I've been posting a lot of videos there, a lot of food that I cook every night for us to eat. I cook all the time, so I try to post my meals there. So I'm trying to grow the channel over there. It's growing, but I wanted to grow some more. So take a look over there sometimes, see what's cooking up over there. And I'll probably throw in a video of this video, the dinner I fixed yesterday that I think I put on Instagram, I think. Check on Instagram too. I put stuff there too on my in my stories on my feed. So yeah, guys, I will see y'all in another video. I am I am super excited about my $6 scores today. I can't wait to show him like what I got for the $6, like, and then he got some work to do. Cause I don't feel like putting up this light because my hands hurt from my other project I had to do. So guys, I will see y'all in another video really soon. Don't forget, love yourself so that you will love others, so this world will be a much better place. Bye, y'all. You want me to say the prayer? Thank you, Lord, for this word about to receive and be accepted. Lord, continue to lead us and guide us in the way we should go. Lord, I pray that all is well tonight will be restored. And shower our mercies. Amen.